Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a comparison between Lightyear and Trading 212. So, with that being said, let's get straight into it. So, the key differences between the two are the customer service is better on 212, while Lightyear has not that good of a service. Marketing and product scores are also better on 212, and deposits and withdrawal score are also better on 212. And they're both recommended for beginners, the person with equity who is starting, and CFTs. And yeah, the fees are also pretty much the same, with the US stock fee that is $1 on Lightyear. And yeah, you can see this, all of the deposit and withdrawal fees, both have bank transfer for deposit. The minimum deposit is $1, while on Lightyear there's $0. And in my opinion, after seeing all of these facts and figures, Trading 212 is a better option. So yeah, I will recommend Trading 212 in my opinion. So choose whichever one suits you the best, because they average the same rating if you put all of the things together. So yeah, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.